Hey guys, Candida here. Are you looking for a fun and easy way to make your house smell amazing? Well, let me tell you all about the Rainbow and RainMate Eucalyptus Fragrance Pack. It's so refreshing. This pack is designed to work with your Rainbow and RainMate air cleaning system and is made with high quality ingredients that are safe for your home. But what's really cool is the eucalyptus fragrance. I find that it's fresh and invigorating, like a breath of fresh air to the great outdoors. Eucalyptus is also known for its soothing and therapeutic properties, making it a great choice for choosing a calming and relaxing atmosphere in your home. This is also a natural way to freshen up your home so you can feel good about what you're breathing in. If I have someone coming over and I just need to freshen up, I hurry and add a few drops in and I turn it on. So don't worry about this being complicated to use. It's actually very simple. When you need to freshen up your home, all you've got to do is just add a few drops into your actual RainMate system. So when you take it out of the package, the lid easily unscrews, and then you just put a few drops in according to your preference. I always just put a good squirt in, and it's that simple. My machine is ready to turn on, and my home will soon be filled with that eucalyptus fragrance. I hope you found the review helpful.